Hey everyone! If you've ever tried to send crypto to a new wallet only to be stopped by a 24-hour waiting period, you've hit the withdrawal lock. While it's a great security feature, it can be frustrating when you need to move funds fast. Today, I'm showing you how to disable it in the 2026 app update. Let's get into the settings. Step 1. Access security settings. First, open your Crypto.com app and tap on the Settings gear icon, usually located in the top left or through the main menu. Scroll down to the Security section. Look for the toggle labeled 24-hour withdrawal lock. This is the feature that prevents you from withdrawing to any newly whitelisted address for a full day. Step 2. Toggle and verify. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You will be prompted to enter your app passcode and your 2FA code from your Authenticator app to confirm the change. Important note: once you request to disable this lock, there is a final 24-hour waiting period before the lock actually turns off. After that period ends, any new addresses you add in the future will be available for instant withdrawals. And that's it. Your account is now set for faster transfers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.